So you have 1 week before your IELTS test and you probably have that feeling of panic. You might be asking yourself, is it even possible to be ready in 7 days? What if I told you that 7 days is more than enough time? I know that you might think that a week is too short, but I personally prepared for my IELTS for only 5 days and still scored an 8 overall. A week is absolutely enough time if you have a clear and focused plan. If you follow this plan, you will walk into the exam feeling calm and confident, ready to get the score you need. And make sure you watch until the very end because I have a special offer for you that will give you access to high quality and professional feedback for your speaking. The first and the most important thing that we need to talk about has nothing to do with your practice tests. It is about your sleep. Without a proper rest, your vocabulary, your logic, and your focus will fail you. Being well rested keeps you calm and prevents anxiety. So number one, your top priority, especially the night before the test, is to aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. It's so important to avoid screens half an hour before bed. Try reading a book or listening to music. Please do not stay up all night preparing. A fresh and clear mind will always perform better than a tired one. In these 7 days, please don't take more than 5 practice tests because they will lead to a burnout. Personally, I took only 2 for each reading and listening. The shift you need to make is from practicing to analyzing. Here's what you need to do. Take 1, maybe 2 full mock tests, then spend the rest of your time reviewing each single mistake you made on previous tests. Go back and listen to the audio and ask yourself, why did I miss that answer? For reading, focus on a specific question type that you get consistently wrong, like true, false, not given. The goal here is to build confidence and strategy, and not to exhaust yourself before the actual test. You cannot become a brilliant essayist in just 1 week if you write more and more essays. It just doesn't work like that. The fastest way to improve your writing is to read samples from people who already scored a high band. This means your focus should be on reading and not just writing. Your strategy for this week is to find and read band 8 and 9 IELTS writing samples every single day. As you read them, I want you to analyze the mechanics. Number 1, look for cohesive devices and linking words they use. Number 2, look for their complex grammar structures. Number 3, see how the introduction perfectly sets up the argument. And number 4, notice how conclusion summarizes everything and doesn't add any new information. Then try to apply these principles into your own essay. You are learning the formula for a high-scoring essay. I know that getting fast and reliable feedback on your writing is really tough, especially in this final week. You can't wait days waiting for a teacher to grade your work. That's why I created an AI writing checker. You can use it to get an instant feedback on your grammar, vocabulary, and coherence, which helps you to identify exactly what you need to work on immediately. You can try it by the link in the description. Now let's talk about speaking. For these last 7 days, I want you to create an English-only environment for yourself. This means listening to English podcasts and using a really powerful technique called shadowing. Listen to a short clip of a native speaker, pause it, and try to replicate what they just said. Try to mimic their speed, intonation, and accent. Also, make it a habit to speak to yourself in English throughout the day. Record your own voice answering to common IELTS questions and listen back. It will help you catch the pronunciation errors and hesitations. You need to get your brain into English mode when you walk into that exam room. Speaking is the one area where you actually need a professional feedback. And for everyone who has watched this video, I have an exclusive offer. On my website, I offer a full speaking mock test that comes with a detailed and structured feedback for half the usual price. I have personally taken over 20 of these mock tests and the quality of it has amazed everyone. You can check out the reviews and feedback examples if you go by the link in the description. This isn't just a generic score. It's a roadmap that helps you reach a next band score. Don't miss this chance of getting a professional feedback you need. You can book yourself a mock test by the link in the description. So here's the plan for your final week. Number 1, get a good sleep. Number 2, shift from practicing to analyzing. Number 3, read IELTS writing samples. And number 4, surround yourself with English. This week is just about organizing and building your confidence. Trust in your preparation, stay calm, and be ready to get the score you need. Subscribe for more tips and check out my other videos.